Hey guys, Andrew here from Xpedition. This will be the first little story about our custom build of our caravan that we're going to do. An Xpedition Basecamp, and this one we're building for ourselves. So I'm about to put the Styromax wall on the side, so I thought I'd show you how easy it is to do out in the bush. No factory, just doing it basically in the backyard. The chassis has already been built, done and painted, and got a little receiver on it, so we're going to whack a bit of glue in there and plonk it on. Alright, let's do it. Now I've wiped all those surfaces down with some wax and grease remover and made sure they're all nice and clean. The side of the Styromax, just give it a little sand, a little scuff up just to give you good adhesion with the glue. But I've seen this glue delaminate fiberglass without any prep, so I don't think that's a problem. Being Styromax, nice and light, you see how easy this is. There you go, happy days. So we'll put some rivets and fixings on the other side just to secure it all off, and obviously you want to make sure it's square with the other side, so when you put your roof on, your roof fits nice. Simple as that.